everyone, this is Vishivani Bansal. My today's question is originally how many languages were included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India? Yes, the right answer is originally 14 languages were included in the Constitution of India in the 8th schedule, but now there are 22 languages and the other languages are included by the amendments in the Indian Constitution. So those amendments are by 21st Amendment, Sindhi language was included in the Indian Constitution that raised the number of the languages from 14 to 15. Then 3 more languages were added in the Indian Constitution by 71st Amendment, that is Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali, that increased the number from 15 to 18. Then 4 more languages were added in the Indian Constitution by 92nd Amendment Act, that are Bodo, Dogri, Mithali and Santhali, that increased the number from 18 to 22. So we have seen that originally there were only 14 languages and the other languages are included in the Constitution of India by the amendments. This is very important for your judiciary preparation, for any state judiciary preparation, as Constitution is the important subject. To get more such information like this, subscribe the channel, and you can also follow me on the Unacademy app. Link of the classes you will get in the description box. Thank you so much everyone.